friends, and I welcome you all in this first edition of Journey of Mentoring. In this particular video, I am going to share some of my mentoring experiences with you. So I will take this particular opportunity of congratulating all the mentors of change who are selected by the Atal Innovation Mission. So friends, let us start with 5 easy steps of mentoring one by one. Schedule a fixed particular slot in a school timetable for your ATL activities. Then next is arrange a tinker walk in your city and make the manthan on the collected social problems or ideas. Then next is following of ATL calendar activity. See, ATL calendar is already available there on the InnoNet portal. Now after that, every month Atal Innovation Mission is providing us with various monthly themes which are based on agriculture or disaster management and many more topics be self-governed by the students. And last one is keeping the record of activities to share them on the InnoNet portal and also share them on the social medias like Facebook, Twitter and so on. So friends, now let us see one by one. So whenever you visit your school for the first time, during your meeting with the ATL in charge, you should first fix a time slot for your ATL activities in the school timetable itself, and it should be properly communicated to all teachers and students of that particular school. Then in that particular session or visit, you can think about or you can have the arrangement of tinker walk by the students in the city. So friends, now let me clear you what is meant by this tinker walk. See, in this tinker walk, we are taking out the students of the Atal Tinkering Lab out of their lab, and in this particular walk they will be visiting the various workshop shops and people. They will contact with them, communicate with them and take out the problems which are faced by them. So this will be beneficial for the students as well as for you to get much more involvement into the lab as well as in the student. Of course, this you will do with the principal's permission, and 4 to 5 teachers of the school will be accompanying with you. Once you come back from the tinker walk, in the next session you will do manthan on the collected social problems. Students will try to find the solutions. They may be technical or non-technical. So this is about the tinker walk and manthan which we are going to see in our lab. So I have shared some of the photographs and you can see them how we conducted that particular activity in our lab. The next is following of the ATL calendar. Now see, it is very much essential and important that you should follow the ATL calendar which is provided on the InnoNet portal. See friends, this will again ease your work because all the activities which are stated in the calendar, they are wonderful and you can have a very good programs based on that particular calendar. So one such program I have shared here as a example. So we celebrated the National Science Day which falls on 28th of February. So I have shared some of the slides and videos. So the next is Atal Innovation Mission's monthly themes. So when you follow the Atal calendar, we also should follow the monthly themes which are provided by the mission. See, these themes may include the disaster management, agriculture and many more topics, waste management and so on. So we can distribute these topics or themes among the students, and students will think over it, think for the problems, and they will make the projects. They will be submitted to the mission. Now see, we saw 3 activities or 3 practices which you should start with. First one was the tinker walk, then second following the ATL calendar, and third one is ATL monthly themes. So all these activities now they are sufficient enough to get yourself involved into the ATL and also with the students. So now you can apply the concept of self-governance of ATL. Now in this, students themselves will be conducting the various programs from the calendar activities as well as from the monthly themes, and of course your and ATL in charge guidance will be there. So activity I have shared here of Science Day, that was totally conducted by the students of my ATL. So now self-governing concept will also make you to keep the record of how many students they are coming to the lab, on what projects they are working, and everything. Then next is keeping the record of activities which are beneficial for us for putting them on the InnoNet portal, and also the parents and the students, they can share on the social media. Now see, this also we do with the help of students only. So this self-governing concept here we have so in this self-governing concept we have prepared some committees of the students, right from designing the invitation card, distribution of the invitation card for a particular program, to the sharing them on the social media. All these activities they are done by the students. So friends, I would conclude with this particular module. I will be sharing some more experiences of my mentoring journey with you, so that they will be beneficial for you in your mentoring. See, apart from this, on the InnoNet portal, lot many resources are there. So in the meantime, when you are not able to visit the school, you can share those videos and resources to the school, so that they can be shown to the students. Very wonderful and good videos are there on various topics, so they can be shared and shown to the students. So my friends, I will conclude with this, that I will meet you in the next video of my mentoring experiences. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and thank you very much.